Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So in today's video I'm going to be explaining to us how new users can get free gifts. As a new user, you have access to free gifts. All you need to do is use my code. I'm going to be leaving my link, use my link. I'll be leaving my link in the description box as well as in the comment section. If you don't have the Temu app on your phone already, use my link to download the Temu app. Once you input my link in your search engine, it's going to redirect you to your app store to download the app. That's if you don't already have the app. Then if you already have the app, it's fine, I got you. But for those new users that do not have the Temu app, yes, use my link, download it, register, do everything you need to do on the app, and then you already have access to these free gifts. Just use the link for the free gifts and make sure you use that particular link to download the app, and automatically you have access. And you should know that this comes with qualifying orders. Okay, there's always a condition attached to the free gift, so I just thought I should put that out there. Now, for those people that already have the app on their phone, I got you, you're not left out. Okay, all you need to do is to input this number on your search bar, the Temu search bar. Okay, so it's FRS 127497. That's just it, and then you search, and just like that, you've also unlocked free gifts for yourself. And of course, it comes with qualifying orders. Just go ahead and play the little game that shows up and all that. You're going to be given the chance to pick any gift of your choice. After that, you'll be shown a list of items of where you can actually make your purchase from for you to be able to unlock these gifts. Okay, so let me know if you use this code and it works for you, or let me know if you download the Temu app using my link. Just let's discuss in the comment section. And if you've watched to this point, thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.